In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a serpentine belt on your Chevy 2500. This is going to have the 8-liter variation. This is also going to be located on the front of your motor. Let's get started. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to remove the 2 clamps for the intake. We're going to pop the intake off of the throttle body and remove it off the airbox and remove it from the vehicle. Using a 15mm wrench, we're going to get on our tensioner and we're going to pull back, pulling the tension off of our belt. Remove the belt off of a pulley, let go of the tension, and we can continue to remove the rest of our belt. And remove the belt from the vehicle. Install the belt into the vehicle. We're going to start around our crank pulley. Pull it up over our fan, down around the power steering, down and around your accessory pulley, then up and over to our tensioner. Make sure the belt is sitting in all of the grooves and on all of the flats where it should be. The last pulley we're going to go around is going to be our alternator. We're going to pull that tension off of our tensioner and get that belt up and around. Get your belt installed and remove the tension off that tensioner. If you need to, go back, take the tension off and move any of the belts you need to. Install the intake into the vehicle. We're going to start with it on our airbox, and then the second one will be onto that throttle body. Snug down the clamps. Do the same thing on the other side. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.